2024, we'd finished almost 3 years of interest rate hikes and this higher rate, putting the brakes on the economy, all that sort of thing to combat inflation.
Right.
And during that time, in particular for our securities, which are they're LIBOR floaters, or front end floaters, I should say, as things have migrated to SOFR, but with those higher coupon levels, right, that really squeezed out our excess spread. And we keep talking about excess spread, and in particular for these seasoned subprime securities that are kind of holdovers from the GFC, and they had suffered losses, and excess spread is the thing that helped them repair and rebuild and write back a lot of those past losses. That excess spread was gone because of the dramatic increase in interest rates. And so what we saw at the end of 24 was the first meaningful cuts, and those that benefit, right, from the higher excess spread because front end rates were cut, started to manifest itself much more in 25. And we had a much better year. Performance in the securities was much better. And
Right.
we figured that that would continue, right, regardless of what happened, because of just that increase in excess spread. As it turns out, there were more cuts to come. And so at the end of 25, we got even more cuts, right? And so the cuts from 24 were already making their way through, which was great. These further cuts in 25 were going to make it even better. And so we started seeing that, or I shouldn't say started, but we continued seeing that improvement in the first few months of this year. That, and I know you're going to get to this separately, but that idea that the broader market started undergoing, more chaotic goings, right, was a little bit separate from the actual performance of the securities. And it's been great because I think a lot of these securities and a lot of the underlying fundamentals that we've always talked about, whether it's really low LTVs or the fact that these borrowers are so seasoned and been in the home for a long time, all those things are still proving to be great underpinnings for this trade.